Your Peterbilt new medium duty has certain standard and optional features built in to ensure driver safety and convenience on the road. These features can be operated through either a switch on the dashboard or a button on the smart wheel. These include simple features from display notifications all the way to more advanced features such as adaptive cruise control. Cruise control functions and features may vary depending upon which engine you have. This vehicle's electronic system will perform a rationality check every time the vehicle is started. This check ensures that the service brakes are working before allowing cruise control to function. To enhance the regular cruise control, your truck may be equipped with adaptive cruise control. When cruise control is active, ACC will accelerate and slow the truck to maintain a chosen distance from a detected forward vehicle. Following distance will be set at the standard 3-bar distance unless equipped with the optional multifunction steering wheel. To set the following distance, press the toggle until the following distance bars illuminate in the view. Deflect the toggle up or down to choose the number of following distance bars. Press the toggle again to set the new following distance. If equipped with the lane departure warning feature, a visual and audible alert will occur when a lane marking is unintentionally crossed. Your vehicle will ensure that you are at an appropriate following distance with the vehicle in front of you. On the display, amber distance bars and an audible alert will occur if your following distance decreases by less than 1.5 seconds. When the following distance decreases to half a second, the bars will turn red and the audible alert will quicken. If there is an immediate threat of a collision, the digital display will show either the brake graphic or the object detected graphic to the driver. These will also produce a fast audible alert. These alerts will only occur if the vehicle is moving faster than 15 miles per hour. Your truck ABS is equipped with an automatic traction control feature. This feature is controlled by a switch on the dash. Do not allow traction control to be left on for an extended amount of time, or else the drive wheel brakes will overheat. Always pay attention to the display and all safety features and alarms that come with your new medium duty. Utilization of all safety features will decrease the chances of collisions and major maintenance on your truck.